5 seconds to go. Start. In any event, the contention of the learned counsel appearing for the prosecutrix that the appellant accused was a person in a position of trust as far as the prosecutrix is concerned is completely erroneous. There was no fiduciary relationship between the appellant accused and the prosecutrix, which will be apparent when we examine the prosecutrix evidence. Therefore, on the face of it, the presumption under Section 114A of the Evidence Act will not apply, and therefore the burden will be on the prosecution to prove that the sexual intercourse was without the consent of the prosecutrix. We may also add here that in our jurisprudence, unless there is a specific legislative provision which puts a negative burden on the accused, there is no burden on the accused to lead evidence for proving his innocence. The accused may have some burden to discharge in case of a statutory prescription such as Section 114A of the Evidence Act. In this case, the burden was on the prosecution to lead evidence to prove the guilt of the accused beyond a reasonable doubt. Now we come to the evidence of the prosecutrix. The salient features of the evidence can be summarized as follows. It was the prosecutrix who provided her cell phone number to the appellant accused to enable him to send his marriage photographs. After that, there was a continuous exchange of WhatsApp messages, including good morning, good evening, etc., between the appellant accused and the prosecutrix. The prosecutrix used to reply to the WhatsApp messages sent by the appellant accused. The prosecutrix informed the appellant accused through a WhatsApp message that she would be visiting a doctor at Hansi on 22nd May 2018. According to her, on the way to Hansi, she met the appellant accused at village Bhivani Kheda and they travelled together to Hansi. From Hansi, they travelled together to Hisar, where they visited Sun City Mall and they travelled together in the appellant accused's car. The deposition of the prosecutrix shows that she went from place to place with the appellant without any protest. Bajrang Lal PW8 owns the Jindal Guest House, Bhiwani, where the incident allegedly took place. In his examination in chief, he deposed that when the appellant accused and the prosecutrix came to his hotel, they disclosed that they were husband and wife. In the cross-examination, he stated that he obtained the signatures of both of them at the time of their arrival and departure in a register. Mahesh PW15 is the brother-in-law of the prosecutrix who accompanied the prosecutrix to the police station to lodge a complaint. He stated in the cross-examination that even after the incident and before the registration of the complaint, there was a conversation on WhatsApp between the appellant accused and the prosecutrix about 300 to 400 times. Thus, even after the incident, the prosecutrix was in conversation with the appellant. Stop.